Stone Floor Cleaning Chertsey by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in your living space. You want it to be clean, comfortable, and inviting. But no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get your stone floors to sparkle like they used to. You've tried everything from mopping to scrubbing, but nothing seems to work. That's where Fabritec Stone Care comes in. Fabritec Stone Care is a premier natural stone cleaning service in Chertsey. Our team of experts is well versed in the art of stone and tile cleaning. We use the most advanced techniques and equipment to ensure that your floors are spotless. So if you're tired of struggling to keep your stone floors clean, give Fabritec a call. We'll take care of everything from start to finish, leaving you with floors that shine like new. Get an estimate for stone and tile cleaning and restoration. Call 0779 860 8640 now.